Now we are going to discuss about an important phenomenon. It will be which happened in one big city that relates to our daily usage. It is in air conditioning. Basically, air conditioning it is in one of our core subject. It will be using the principle of thermodynamics. Already we studied a lot of principles and what are the components using in air conditioning and what is its application and what will be the refrigerants will be used. A lot of we already discussed in our class. But now we are you have to share about your experience in one type of case study which will be incident in any buildings or any industrial or commercial areas. Now you can share your thoughts.
Yes, sir. In Hyderabad 2021, there was an explosion of a domestic air conditioner in residential apartment. The air conditioner used in this incident about 3 years in use, and they did not service the AC unit for a year, for more over a year. So the outdoor unit didn't clean. The dust and the rust blocked the air ventilation, so the outer unit busted.
To you. Then what will be happened in next stages?
So the causes on viewing the incident, we can see what are the causes are. So the causes are compression overheating. So the compressor eventually overheated because a lot of dust that are accumulated in the fan, compressor fan. So due to the low air ventilation, the overheating has happened, and then overpressure in refrigerant. So due to there are no relief valve present in the air condition, so the overpressure accumulated, so eventually they can't release the pressure, so that are a cause. And then usage of substandard gases like R410. So chemical composition of the gases are irregular. So these also causes of air condition blast. And then
What will be the final result of that incident?
So coming to the effect and the investigation, the compressor splitted and open. It has a hot gas and oil that burst out outside of the wall. Burst out outside of the wall. It caused the copper pipe turn off. So coming to the investigation, they said. The primary cause of this incident is because of the low maintenance and low service. And also the ground ventilation in the AC unit was not proper, was not in the proper way. And also due to no maintenance, the dust settled down in the ventilation. So
If you are in that critical situation, how do you will handle that situation? What is your first aid? What is your first precaution for avoid that fire accident? If you consider you are in that apartment, what will be your first
So
decoration method?
we should turn off the switches, and then we should let that be in a particular place, and then we should move from that place.
What's
So
your
that,
opinion?
coming to me, first of all, when it got fire, we need to switch off and first try to off the.
What's your mind thinking first? If you are having difficulties in this type of fire accident, what will be your mind will be having the first?
All the fire animals.
Okay.
so our safety is first priority. So we'll be.
Okay. What is the final conclude? What is the observed from this case study?
So regular maintenance, and then without seeing the costs and
We have to maintain
a
properly.
proper maintenance.
This is
and
the
then
one of the
high standard components should be included.
What is your point?
Proper maintenance proper maintenance can lead to a great sufficient and clear ventilation.
Not sure.
I recommend 4 preventive methods, sir. First one is proper installation. Next is self-awareness. Self-awareness next. Next is installation of safety devices. Next is daily maintenance.
Okay. Basically, we are recently we are almost 90% of people using air conditioning system. So you have to consider this type of preventive method in your mind to reduce or avoid this type of accidents. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.